Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where the ABS fuses are located on this 2010 Chrysler Town and Country. This is the same as the Dodge Grand Caravan. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. So there are 3 fuses here that I'm going to show you the locations of. They all pertain to the ABS system. Right here is our under the hood fuse box. So we are going to push on these 2 tabs and lift the lid. The first fuse is for the ABS pump. It is this 40 amp box fuse right here. The second is a 30 amp fuse for the ABS system right here. And then the last one is a 10 amp microblade fuse at the top of this row right here. It's that 10 amp fuse. That is also for your ABS system. So we have the ABS pump, 40 amp box fuse, ABS system, 30 amp box fuse, and then this 10 amp ABS fuse right here. That is a microblade fuse. I will have new fuses linked down in the description below where you can get those on Amazon if you'd like. And I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.